Hey guys, this is Mark Rhodes with JoeteckTips, and we're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I thought today would be a good day to get this pig cleaned out. I haven't cleaned out my 3900X Ryzen 9 system since I built it like 3 or 4 months ago. It's really filthy, I'm sure. Oh yeah, it's bad. Look at this thing, it's nasty. Holy cow. Oh boy. Yeah, buddy. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab a blower. Alright, excuse the noise for a minute. That'll work. I'll see you guys later. Look for me to be uploading more videos. Alright, thanks for checking out JoeteckTips. You guys have a great day. Peace out.